It's choreographed by Vickie Schermbeck Normile. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Kerosene. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 3 walks forward and a knee hitch. So we're going to step forward, right, right, and bring your left knee up. We're now going to do 3 walks back with a knee hitch, stepping back, left, left, bring your right knee up. Let's try that with some counts. Walking forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to step your right foot to the right side, bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a hitch. So you're going to step your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot and bring your right knee up. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just hitched our right knee up. You're stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we step to the side, you're going to bump your hip twice to the right, bump, bump. You're now going to bump your hip twice to the left, bump, bump. Now you're going to do singles back and forth, bump, right, left, and weight's going to be on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just hitched. You're bumping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do 2 toe struts back. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it back, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to touch your left toe back, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do 2 walks back, stepping back right, left, and then you're going to stomp 1 foot at a time in place. So we're going to stomp right, stomp left, weights on your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts, doing your toe strut back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. Walk with a hitch, back with a hitch to the side, or right together, right, touch, grapevine quarter, turn with a hitch, bump right, bump left in singles, right, left, back toe, strut, walk, stomp, stomp. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk forward. Walk right, hitch back, left, hitch, side together, side touch, grapevine quarter, turn with a hitch, bump right, twice bump left, twice singles right, left, back toe, strut, walk, stomp, walk it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, hitch, back, hitch, side together, side touch, grapevine quarter, turn with a hitch, bump right, bump left, now singles, right, left, back toe, strut, walk back, stomp, walk it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Kerosene. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.